It is 6:14, and that means it's time for Weather on the 4s with meteorologist Adam and Carolyn. Adam, it is hot, and it's going to stay hot, unfortunately.
It sure is, and you know what, the other issues that we have are not only, of course, the heat, but we've got the hazy and smoky skies, we've got air quality, and we've got additional fire weather concerns, especially heading into tomorrow. And we'll get to that here in just a minute, but it's the relentless heat that won't stop, unfortunately, for the next few more days. And we've got a lot of smoke out there to start off the day. We'll get a little bit of a break here for a while, and then it will come right on back here a bit later this afternoon and evening. But most of northern Utah should stay mainly in the light haze out there, especially far northern Utah along the border, maybe no haze at all. Moderate to unhealthy air quality, both PM 2.5 elevated, PM 2.5, and also surface ozone, kind of a mix of both out there today. 72 right now, 75 at 8. We'll get to 93 by 2 p.m. We'll have some light winds yet again today. We'll have some high clouds mixed in with some more or less mid-level clouds out there as well. But heat wave continues. High pressure in control. It will continue to bring in that record heat across the desert Southwest, across portions of the Midwest as well. And you can see that rotation, that clockwise flow. But now it's starting to suck up a little bit more moisture here. And this is what's going to allow for some additional storms to develop. And that includes today with areas of southern Utah in isolated dry thunderstorm threats. We also have elevated fire risk here across eastern Utah, critical fire danger related to windy conditions across southwest Wyoming, and also more elevated threats across eastern Nevada. And you'll see how we might pick up a few of those dry thunderstorms here throughout the rest of the afternoon and evening time. Might get even a little bit close to St. George. Now, these will likely just be dry thunder lightning and also some gusty outflow winds. Now, by tomorrow, we'll still have the heat, but we will start picking up more isolated to widely scattered dry and wetting storms, especially in the high terrain of southern Utah and eastern Nevada. That's leading to additional fire weather impacts here. By Saturday, we're starting to see lesser chances, but eastern Nevada and into southern Utah related to critical fire weather and isolated to widely scattered dry thunderstorms here tomorrow. That could spell trouble for new fire starts and rapidly spreading them. 99 in Salt Lake, 94 Logan, 99 Wendover, 94 Rock Springs, even 100 in Elko today, 111 St. George. You were 112 yesterday, and you'll be just near that again today. That'll be a record. 113 tomorrow would be a record. 111 on Saturday would also be a record. And finally, we'll dip back into the low hundreds next week for the Wasatch Front. Near record high temperatures for the next few days, including Friday and Saturday. We're back into the hundreds. A little bit quote-unquote cooler by Monday in the low 90s, though this should be more or less in the mid 80s, not low 90s, because the heat continues. Now,